Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm going to be comparing two really great crossbody bags that I have, and that is going to be the Louis Vuitton Alma BB versus the Gucci Ophidia shoulder bag, okay? I'm going to get into all of the details, and at the end of the video I will let you know which bag I would choose if I could only choose one. If you love luxury goods as much as I do, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So first up we have the Gucci Ophidia shoulder bag. I did purchase this bag from Gucci.com, and this bag right here is $1,390, and it is 7.5 times 9.1 times 3.2 in diameter, and this bag is the canvas and the leather material, and it is gorgeous. You have the two GGs on the front, but you do not have them on the back. And then let me go ahead and show you the bottom of this bag. One difference is this bag does not have the protective feet, so it can get scratched up easily. I already have a small scratch on this bag already. So let's get into a little bit of the details of this bag. This bag does have really good details, just like the Alma. You do get the two GGs on the zipper, and you can just wear those to the side if you like, because to me it looks a little bit like you're doing too much when you wear it in the middle. So here is the inside of the Gucci bag, and you do get more pockets than you get inside of the Alma BB. So maybe you will see that as a pro, but you do have a large pocket, and then you also have two little small pockets where you can put like maybe some business cards or maybe a small little card holder or something in. Now there is a pro and a con in terms of this bag, because it does have an adjustable shoulder strap, which the Louis Vuitton Alma BB does not. But one thing about this strap is that it cannot be removed, so you're pretty much stuck with this strap. And this bag also does not have any handles, so you're pretty much stuck wearing it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Okay, so moving forward to the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, this bag does cost $1,320, so it is $70 cheaper than the Gucci bag. And as far as the measurements, it is 9.25 times 6.89 times 4.53. And this bag is also canvas and leather, and this bag does have more detail than the Gucci bag. You do get the lock and the keys, and you also get the key tag as well. So again, you are getting more bang for your buck in terms of detail and accessories. So taking a look at the bottom of the Alma BB, you do have the protective feet at the bottom, which will prevent the bag from getting scratched up, which the Gucci bag does not have that. So that is another pro for the Alma and a con for the Gucci bag. And let me go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison of how these bags look in terms of how much space is at the bottom. So as you see, the Alma BB does give you much more room at the bottom of the bag. Now looking at the inside of the Alma BB, you do have that gorgeous red interior, but you only get one pocket, which you can't put much in, maybe a little tiny card holder and some business cards. So another con to the Alma, and I guess it's a pro and a con, is that it does have a leather strap, but this strap is not adjustable, so you will not be able to adjust it to make it fit you in a way that will work based off of your height. But because it does have those top handles, it's not a huge deal, because you do have the ability to wear the bag in multiple ways, whereas with the Gucci bag, you do not have the ability to do that. You simply have to wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, and that's it. And one thing I will say about both of these bags is that both of the straps are very stiff when you first get the bags. It's going to take some time for them to loosen up a little bit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what fits inside of these bags, and I am just going to take the items that I would put in my bag every day, because both of these can be used as everyday bags. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start off with the Alma BB. So starting off with my Fendi flat sunglass case, I'll go ahead and put that in there, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my mini pochette, and then I'm going to go ahead and put in my phone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and then I'm going to put in my keys and my Gucci card holder, and then last but not least, I will go ahead and put in my Louis Vuitton coin purse, and all of these items fit in here really great, and there still is a little bit of room, but if you put too much more in there, it will disturb the shape of the bag, and you don't want to do that. So now we're taking the same exact items and putting them into the Gucci bag. So we're going to see how all of these items fit. I've never tried to put this amount of items in the Gucci bag before, so I'm not quite sure how this is going to work, but we will see. So pretty much the Gucci bag can fit the same amount of items as the Alma BB, and there's still room in the Gucci bag as well, but the situation is the same. You cannot put too much more in there without disturbing the shape of the bag. You don't want the shape of your bag to be disturbed. You want it to be nice and neat. So in terms of how much stuff you can fit in the bag, both bags can fit a nice amount of items. You can definitely fit your everyday essentials in both bags, and you know, they pretty much are the same in terms of size and what can fit in the bags. Also, in terms of the zippers, both of my bags are still fairly new, so the zippers are a little hard to maneuver, but nothing too bad. But I would say that they are similar when you first get them in terms of how smooth the zippers are. Okay, quickly, so I'm just going to show you how you can wear these bags. Of course, as I said earlier, the Alma BB does have the adjustable strap and the top handles, so you can carry it handheld with the strap. You can carry it handheld without the strap. You can carry the Alma as a crossbody. You can carry it as a shoulder bag. You can carry it in the crook of your arm. So there is a ton of variety with the Alma BB. And the cons with the Alma BB is that it is very long on you if you're short. I am 5'2", and you have no way to adjust it. Of course, you can purchase another strap that is adjustable and adjust it that way. And of course, the strap is detachable, so you have that variety of being able to change out the strap, which you do not have with the Gucci bag. Now, moving forward to the Gucci bag, like I said before, can only be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag, but you can adjust it to what would work for your height. Now, another con with this bag is that it does not always go well with certain colors or patterns, and you can get color transfer because of the color of the canvas. Now, I have not had that happen yet, and I've worn this bag with dark denim jeans. So because I'm aware that color transfer is possible, I'm just very careful with how I allow the bag to rub up against my clothes. Okay, so in terms of which of these bags I would choose if I could only choose one, as far as price, they're pretty much similar in price. Now, as far as what can fit, they're similar in terms of what can fit. In terms of durability, I would say that the Louis Vuitton Alma BB is a more durable bag than the Gucci Ophidia bag. The leather on the Alma BB, you can get it wet. You know, you can wear it in any kind of weather, and I don't know how well the Gucci canvas would hold up in like rain and things like that. I'm not sure, but also the fact that the Gucci bag does not have any feet at the bottom, it can get scratched up even if you're just putting it, you know, on the dinner table or whatever the case may be. Whereas with the Alma BB, it has the protective feet, so you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. The Gucci bag is not as versatile as the Alma BB. You can only wear it two ways. The Alma BB can be worn several ways, and also the Alma BB has more detail than the Gucci bag. Both can be dressed up or down, but I would say that the Louis Vuitton Alma BB can go with more outfits than the Gucci bag, because if I have on a certain color, I may not wear the Gucci bag because I don't want that green and red stripe to clash with my outfit. So it's extremely hard. Honestly, I would take both of them, but if I only could choose one, I guess I would choose the Alma BB, because you're getting more bang for your buck in terms of the different ways that you can wear the bag, and the fact that you can wear the bag with more items, the fact that the bag is more durable. So I would pick the Alma BB, and then I will go ahead and get the Gucci bag at a later date. I would definitely have both of these in my collection no doubt about it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these bags, there will be links in the description bar for you. You guys know if you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.